The track is so cool, a little bit short, but really funny.
It was a good opportunity because I saw the race from last year, and I say, yeah, well, maybe, you know, there are a few points for the Olympics, for the next Olympics, and the track looks pretty good. It's tight, short and small, but it doesn't look too dangerous. We rode on way more dangerous tracks. So
I'm here in Ljubljana to do the race. The track is little but very special, so let's see what we can do.
So this is my third time in Ljubljana, and I really like the track, and also like the really steep and sharp jumps, because it's hard to make it so fast on the track, and the first turn is a little bit sketchy for everyone, and I don't really like it, but the second straight is so speedy, and you can go so fast on that. And also the pro section, I really like it. I think it's the best pro section in ALPE-ADRIA Cup series.
I don't remember, this is my third or maybe fourth race in Ljubljana. I really like it. The tracks, I think, really smooth and fast. I like this gate, and I hope all kids riding well.
It's not always that you can come here, and it was a pleasure to race today. It's not the track that we're used to, like the 8 meter and stuff, but it's a little bit old school. It brings back the OG small BMXer in me, so it was nice to race.
But it's very fun to go like the old school way. I think it's good to do some different things. Yeah.